controls.
Wait, hold on. All right, we got two cars, one remote.
And this one doesn't want to work for that one, so we're gonna try to control.
All right, go for it. Let's see it. Look at that. Two cars, one remote. Crazy. Go.
I'm trying to do it with this one. What the heck?
All right, go.
This one ain't working for that one now.
All right, here, let's try this remote. You ready? Look at it go. One remote, two cars. Whoa! It just went off the end. All right. Is this crazy or what, buddy? Huh?
Yeah.
And then we got this one over here still trying to move. See, it's still trying to move, and then this one's still going. All right.
Get it out.
All right, hold on. All right, go. Look at it go. Look at that one doing spins, man. Is that crazy or what? Is that cool or what, dude?
How do these things control these things together?
Because it's odd.
Tell me in the comments below.
Yeah, tell me how you think it works in the comments below and we'll tell you if you're correct.
Yep.
Alright.
Wait, how many people can get this right?
Yeah, let's see if you can get our challenge. Figure out how does Daniel control two cars with one remote. Let us know in the comments below. Alright, guys?
Yeah.
Say alright. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Peace out.
Peace out.